Ndị be anyị bịazikwanụ ka unu nụrụ na onye jezikwa visit Nnamdi Kanu na Sokoto na aka na-abụ ya ghọzikwa ya otu aka. Hei, wee na-akọwa na nwa okorobịa unu na-afụ ebe a n'onu n'ogige ndị uwe ojii na aka na-aba aghọgokwa ya otu aka since 22nd of January 2026 ka ndị uwe ojii kpujie na njọ mere bụ na ọ na-eje na Sokoto ka o jee visit Nnamdi Kanu. Unu ya bịa nnọọ ka unu nụrụ ya n'ọnụ nwanne anyị nwoke anụnwa ka o si wee kọwaa maka onye a na-akọwa ife a bụ ndị wepụtara onwe fa maka ndị Igbo, ọdịmma ndị Igbo na ọganilu ndị Igbo na ebe a na-emegide ndị Igbo na ndị Igbo akpụjekwana na-enweghị ife fa mere aka fa dị ọcha. Nwanne anyị nwoke unu fụrụ kịta abụ fa bụ grupu na-ekwuchitelu ndị Igbo ọnụ fa. Unu ya bịa nnọọ ka ọ kọrọ unu ka nya bụ ife si wee mee na nke ikpeazụ efe adịrọkwa.
It's all over the world. This is Justice Ozobi. I'm the leader of the new face of Igbo youth movement. I'm in Abani today. Take around the camera. Yeah, I'm here to give a report concerning one of our youth member who was detained since January 22 by Nigerian police. We are going to see the wife so that you people can see the wife of our brother who was arrested since January 22. And the Nigerian police insisted that they are not going to allow the lawyer to see him, and they are not also going to allow his people to see him. It is getting to 3 good months now. They have not allowed even the family to see him. What was his offense? They said he is a suspected IPOB. Not that he's an IPOB, he is a suspected IPOB. Let's go, you see the wife. Greetings the whole world. This is the wife of our coordinator that was detained since 22 of January 2026. What happened is this, that our coordinator is the youth leader of Enugu State's Igbo youth. So they were contributing money to go and see Nnamdi Kanu at Sokoto prison, because other societies, other groups are going to see Nnamdi Kanu there. That was the reason they themselves wanted to go and see Nnamdi Kanu. The same way the governors, the same way some groups, the same way some students are going to see Nnamdi Kanu at Sokoto, the same thing, that we are contributing money just to go and see Nnamdi Kanu, just like other Nigerians. Then it was unfortunately that one of them decided to hold the money, and the person was not able to be at risk communicating with them again. They started asking about their money, which they have contributed. It's about 500 and something thousand. The guy is not giving them any answer for that money. Now they said instead of them to take law into their hands, that they are going to report the guy that is holding their money to police station. Now Mr. Liberty, the husband of this woman, decided to go to police station and make a report concerning someone who took their money without any reason. Reaching to the police station, the police people at Abani here in Enugu State redirected them to SWAT to go and make the report. Now, Mr. Liberty went to SWAT to make a report. After the report, according to the statement that he wrote, they said he indicated that the money that they were contributing was the money that they wanted to use to go and see Nnamdi Kanu at Sokoto. For that reason, that Mr. Liberty is now an IPOB member. Just like that. They didn't caught him with a gun. They didn't caught him with a weapon. In short, they didn't caught him doing any illegal thing or doing anything harmful to the society. Just that he went to the police station to make a report that someone took their money. That is the only offense Mr. Liberty committed. And this happened on the 22nd of January, right? On 22nd of January 2026. Up till now, this is getting to 3 good months. The SWAT, the police station in Enugu State here claimed that they did not see Mr. Liberty, because we have been looking for him. We have been searching for him since that 22nd of January that he went to make a report in the police station. We made a research of him everywhere. We searched the whole police station. The police people said they did not see him. After said that done, they now accepted that he's under SWAT at Enugu State. Now we went to the SWAT. The SWAT claimed that the reason why they detained him is because he is a suspected IPOB. Now we asked him, the lawyer asked them, what is the problem? Why was he detained? They said he's a suspected IPOB, that the money that they were contributing is to go and see Nnamdi Kanu. No investigation. We didn't caught him as a kidnapper. Nothing. He was the one that went there by himself, right? He went there by himself. Can a terrorist went and report himself? That is the only crime Mr. Liberty committed. And this woman was pregnant then. Immediately she heard that her husband has been missing since so many days. She gave birth to a child. Up to now, the father have not seen his child for over complete 3 good months. This is the thing we have been clamoring in Igbo land. This is the things that the youth of Igbo land are going through. The Nigerian police will arrest a youth in the southeast, detain you for months. They won't allow you to communicate to your people, your lawyer. Even if Vance will be kidnapper self, they allow his lawyer to see him. In Vance will be kidnapper, his family went there to see him. Talk more of somebody that they just contributed money just to go and see Nnamdi Kanu. That was the only offense Mr. Liberty committed, and Nigerian government detained him. Up till now, they have not accepted that they have seen him. But we know where he is now, in SWAT. So I'm calling on Nigerians to help us, please, because this is getting too much. Our youth are missing on daily basis. And after everything, the police will even deny. Some of them, you will later see their dead body somewhere. They kill the person and harvest the person's organ. Thank you very much. Say thank you to the camera.
Thank you.